In the meantime, the second preparatory hearing to map out President Yoon's impeachment trial proceedings is also taking place on Friday, which is today. It's unclear how much progress will be made as Yoon's team has not been fully cooperative. Our Oh Soo-young reports.
President Yoon Suk Yeol's impeachment trial proceedings will continue with the second preparation hearing taking place on Friday. Judges will once again attempt to lay out the main grounds for his impeachment and a working list of evidence and witnesses each side would like to present throughout the trial. At the first hearing last Friday, the National Assembly's impeachment panel set out 4 grounds for removing Yoon from office. It also made an application for 15 witnesses, including key figures under investigation who are suspected of being involved in the martial law order. In the second session, the National Assembly side reportedly plans to push for the violation of judicial independence as a separate ground for impeachment, citing how Yoon allegedly sought to detain judicial figures, including former Chief Justice Kim Myung-soo, during the hours the martial law order was in place. However, the question is whether the upcoming hearing will progress much further than the first session, which ended inconclusively as Yoon's team had not submitted any prior positions or materials. His lawyers seem to contest the grounds for impeachment, saying they were based on media reports, as well as the court's method of delivering official papers to notify Yoon of the trial. The president had refused to accept the delivery at his residence and office in Central Seoul. The bench requested that Yoon's side submit their positions and key materials related to the martial law decree. But instead of the relevant documents, the president's lawyers on Tuesday reportedly sent a written opinion asking the court to defer its decision on accepting investigative records related to his alleged insurrection. Observers say this indicates the president's concern over the potential inclusion of unfavorable evidence in the trial. His legal team has also filed for an injunction against his arrest warrant and adjudication on competence dispute by the Constitutional Court, which challenges the authority of state institutions. Yoon's team has argued that the warrant is illegal as the Corruption Investigation Office for high-ranking officials does not have the authority to investigate insurrection charges, nor arrest a sitting president on abuse of power charges. The CIO hit back that the Seoul Western District Court issuing the warrant proves the legality of its investigative authority. The Constitutional Court has said the case will go under procedural review. While the impeachment case is expected to pick up pace as 2 new justices were appointed on the first day of the year, the timeline of the trial will depend on how cooperative the president's team will be. Oh Soo-young, Arirang News.